817 feet. All of the ATV systems are in good shape, and the flight control team in Toulouse, France, at the ATV Control Center, continuing to monitor the Albert Einstein systems, pleased with what they see so far. And confirmation now received that the Albert Einstein has resumed its approach inside the S3 hold point, now moving to a point, the next station keeping point called the S4, at a distance of just 62 meters away for another period of station keeping. All of the systems in good shape, all of the navigational aids having checked out, and everything appears to be in great shape. From this point on, it will be about 48 minutes until docking, so that would imply a docking time of around 9:07 a.m. Central Time, 10:07 a.m. Eastern Time.
Yes,
and the Albert Einstein now initiates its approach. We have departed the S4 station keeping point. This will be about a 2.5-minute transit to the next station keeping point called S41 at a distance of about 11 meters or 36 feet away from the docking target at the aft end of the Zvezda service module. All of the Albert Einstein systems are functioning in great shape. No issues whatsoever with any of the reflector navigational aids on the aft end of the Zvezda service module that were the subject of much discussion over the past 7 weeks. They have been rock solid, providing excellent navigational data to the Albert Einstein as it has initiated its final approach. One more station keeping point to negotiate, that being at S41, or a distance of 36 feet. Over the next few minutes, the flight control teams will take a final poll of their respective flight controllers to get a final go for docking. From this point on, once the ATV departs the S41 hold point, the next critical juncture will be at the ground hands-off point at a distance of 9.8 feet, separating the service module and the Albert Einstein automated transfer vehicle. That ground hands-off point is the last point at which ground controllers can issue a command to the ATV to abort its approach.
We confirm. Thank you.
Final systems checks of the Albert Einstein are underway, and the Russian flight control team conducting final checks of the docking port at the aft end of the Zvezda service module. You're looking at a view of the cavernous flight control room at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov outside Moscow, where the Russian flight controllers are monitoring Russian segment systems. Here in the flight control room at the Johnson Space Center, you can see the clock ticking backwards toward the final departure of the Albert Einstein from its last station keeping point called the S41 hold point. ATV flight controllers in Toulouse, France, syncing up one more time with the Russian flight control team in Korolyov.
Range rate is 0, stable. The range is still 11 meters. Ruler shows 9 meters.
And Albert Einstein now on the final leg of its journey, moving inside the S-41 station keeping point. The next critical point will be at 9.8 feet distance to the docking target. That is the ground hands-off point, the last point at which the ground can issue any commands to the Albert Einstein automated transfer vehicle.
Target is in the center, 0.06, all systems nominal. Copy all. Six meters by the range ruler, 0.06, target is in the center of the corridor, systems are nominal. Copy all.
Inside 6 meters now. Rate of closure less than 1/10 of a meter per second.
Target in the center, systems nominal. 0.06 and closing. Copy. Four meters, target in the center. 0.07. Systems nominal. Copy. Copy all.
Approaching the ground hands-off point.
3 meters by the ruler. Target in the center, 0.06 and closing. Systems nominal. Copy. Copy. At 2
Ground is hands-off now.
meters, start braking. Copy. 2 meters, 0.7. Systems nominal. Target in the center. 0.5 meters, 0.6.
Approaching the crew hands-off point.
Copy. Systems nominal.
1 meter away. Standing by for contact and capture.
Yes. Contact confirmed.
Docking confirmed.
14077.
Capture confirmed.
Copy. Mode, station mode change, free drift.
Docking occurring at 9:07 a.m. Central Time as the International Space Station and Albert Einstein flew 258 statute miles over the Pacific Ocean.
You know, the contact was softer than with the Progress.